Hello everyone, this is the first Python introductory video where we will be learning about how to use the Python installation, input, output, and variables. If you have not installed Python yet, go to python.org and install the latest version, then come back to this video. Let's write a simple program that asks for a name and then says hello to the name. Okay, once we've launched the Python idle application, you'll see this screen. Note that you want to open the app that says idle, not just Python. We want to write a program, so hit Control-N to create a new file. So once we're here, I'm going to write a line of code to document what we're doing. A comment line is a line for humans to read, but the computer ignores. In Python, it is a hashtag, so you see it turns red. Now we can write Python installation IO, which stands for input and output, and variables. So now we can write our code. So we want to ask the user for their name first. So the print function does this. It prints something to the shell that we saw earlier, the one that first opened. So we write print, add brackets, and then quotation marks, and then write, what is your name? And then close quotation mark, and then close bracket. Now we create a variable called name, and then make it equal to input, which just reads in the input again from the shell. This equal sign simply assigns whatever this gives you to here. Next, we can print nice to meet you, comma space, and then plus name. This will simply add these two together and print it out in one line. And so that's the simple program. We can run it and test it. Okay, so we can see here that it says, what is your name? So you write Bob, or whatever name you want to make up. And then it prints, nice to meet you, Bob. So our program worked, and that's it. You have learned the basics of Python programming.